Alright, so we're going to try and start the motorcycle here in just a minute. We went ahead and got the new starter solenoid hooked up and ready to go. I think it's the way it's supposed to be. This wire goes to this wire here goes to the starter, this wire goes to the battery, this wire goes to the switch. We've got some pretty good stuff going on right now, so this, yeah, this doesn't even go in there. I don't know where these go. I don't know what those are for. I'll hook them up if I know where they go, or if I figure out I need them. But anyways, what I've got going on here is I've got the three wires from this plug, which was the original switch, going into here now. So I think those are the right three. So we're gonna go ahead and alright, so we're gonna see what we can get going here with my ghetto situation. It doesn't make any noise or anything, so whoa. Alright, oh shit, it did something. Oh man, I don't know what to do next. I've never heard this thing run. Oof, that was exciting. Oh, my heart's pounding. So, it moves. I'm gonna give it a rest. I'm gonna turn it off. I don't think it's getting gas. So, I'm gonna see what's going on with the carbs.